In an increasingly disruptive and uncertain global environment, people who can imagine, design, and create innovative solutions are key to a successful and sustainable future. A degree in creative arts develops the skills and attributes to not only make meaningful connections with audiences, but provide creative leadership to commercial businesses across a range of sectors. Whether your passion is performance, design, creative writing, studio-based fine art, media, or musical composition, we'll teach you how your creative strengths, skills, and industry experiences can make a difference. So why should you study creative arts at ACU? You'll join a unique community working in a range of disciplines to inspire, engage, and educate audiences. Develop your passion for creative writing, drama, communication, graphic design, media, music, drawing, painting, photography, printmaking, sculpture, theatre production, or art history, and gain expert knowledge and practical skills through professional experience and international study opportunities. It's vital that emerging creatives learn to network and make meaningful connections. For this reason, our students undertake study internships and are encouraged to venture abroad to study in London, New York, or Rome. Having a global perspective will not only feed your imagination, it will also allow you to appreciate culture and diversity. If you're a visual artist and design student, you'll exhibit work in ACU gallery spaces throughout your studies, culminating in a final year graduate exhibition, which will showcase your artwork, events management, catalogue design, and curating skills at a professional standard. If you're a creative arts student, you'll undertake a major project and a community-based placement, where you have the flexibility to choose between working on a local community project or gaining industry experience in a social enterprise or not-for-profit organisation. Our staff and academics are recognised locally and internationally for their teaching excellence, research, and creative achievements. They will guide you through a learning experience that overlays a solid foundation of theoretical frameworks and industry expertise, while developing practical skills with creative and critical thinking. Internships, community engagement, and overseas study experiences provide you with opportunities for personal and professional growth. By studying with us, we're putting your future career direction in your hands, and you'll have so many options. Our graduates have pursued careers as artists, actors, arts administrators, curators, events coordinators, designers, filmmakers, gallery directors, writers, and more. It's up to you which path you take, but we're here to support you every step of the way to help you reach your goals. When you graduate, you'll have access to professional bodies such as the Australian Graphic Design Association, the Australian Network for Art and Technology, Craft Australia, and the International Council of Museums. And remember, ACU graduates get jobs. In Australia, we're top 3 for graduate employment and first for employer satisfaction. We also rank in the top 2% of universities worldwide. The creative arts we offer nationally include the Bachelor of Creative Arts, Bachelor of Arts, and Bachelor of Visual Arts and Design. We offer a range of majors and minors in creative arts. A major is made up of 8 units and a minor is 4 units. This means you're free to explore your interests and follow your passions throughout your degree. The majors and minors we have available include communication, music, graphic design, creative writing, visual arts, media, drama, and more. Please note, our course offerings do vary across our campuses. Make sure you check the course browser or course guide to find out more about where you can study. Our industry partnerships and community placements provide rich learning experiences and opportunities for collaboration. These relationships will give you a head start in connecting with practitioners in your chosen field and allow you to gain practical skills. Our creative arts students have taken placements in a broad range of community and not-for-profit organisations, while our visual arts and design students have undertaken their industry-based internships with partners such as ACME, Arts Project Australia, Monash Gallery of Art, Australian Galleries, Heidi Museum, NGV, and many other commercial galleries and artist-run spaces. The National School of Arts offers you a range of exciting international study experiences you can take advantage of in the future, including 2-week intensive study tours in Rome, Venice, Paris, London, and New York, and full semester study abroad programs at one of our many international partner universities. We typically offer intensive units in February and June-July. You may learn about popular music cultures and attend performances in London, study theatre performance and American playwrights in New York, explore the politics and emergence of modernism in Paris, or take in the magic of the Venice Biennale. No matter your interest, there are plenty of opportunities and study experiences in store for you, and our study experiences are designed to develop your worldview on your journey to become a global citizen. If you're worried that you won't get into your preferred university course, don't panic. That's why we have admission pathways. They provide alternative options if you didn't get the score you need, haven't completed Year 12, or don't meet some other requirement. Pathways are extra qualifications or tests that will help you meet the entry requirements if your selection rank isn't high enough and can't be adjusted further. A diploma in liberal arts is a pathway into a range of our creative arts degrees. This course provides students from diverse backgrounds with a flexible 1-year introduction to tertiary studies. The Diploma in Liberal Arts prepares you for a wide choice of careers in areas such as government, industry, business, the creative arts, and education. It can also be used as a pathway into the Bachelor of Arts, Bachelor of Creative Arts, Bachelor of International Development Studies, Bachelor of Arts and Bachelor of Global Studies, and our teaching education courses. We also offer a range of entry programs. These are a way of boosting your chance of success with your first application. They may be based on your personal background, such as if you went to school in a regional area, experience financial hardship, or identify as Aboriginal or Torres Strait Islander. We also offer programs for community volunteers and elite athletes and performers. And if you're in Year 12, you should definitely check out ACU Guarantee, our early offer program which assesses you for entry to ACU based on your Year 11 results. You can head to our website for more information about these programs. As a university, we've grown rapidly over the past few years, but our classes are the perfect size. You won't get lost in the crowd. Your lecturers will know your name, they're here to support and mentor you, and you'll make great friends and be introduced to creative industry networks. If you're a full-time student, you'll typically be studying 2 to 3 days a week. If you're a part-time student, it will be more like 1 or 2 days each week. We know timetables are important to you, which is why ACU has just introduced a new timetabling system to help you secure the classes that suit you best. Here's what you need to know about assessments. Every unit has assessments each semester that carry different percentages toward your overall mark. The format of assessments varies between degrees and specialisations from a range of approaches such as theatre performances, direction or production, studio-based art, media production, graphic design projects, creative writing folios, music, drama or art history essays, reading reflections, podcasts, oral presentations or videos. If later on you want to further your career, change jobs or upskill, we have a selection of postgraduate courses. For example, we offer the Bachelor of Arts Honours in Creative Practice, Master of Teaching Secondary, Master of Teaching Primary, and higher degree research programs. Thank you for joining us today. Don't forget you can always find more information online at our events, in our course guides, or by contacting Ask ACU. Good luck with your journey to university. We hope to welcome you to ACU soon.